Yeah, this one now. The place is very nice here. I am from the Philippines, but I am here in Hong Kong. I have a lot of friends from India. I just meet them here in YouTube. Mostly are from India. Which country are you in? Now here in Hong Kong. I am in Hong Kong now.